Grab the storage bag with the power cable, locate the hex key, and set it apart. Remove the black case. Followed by the lens cover. Connect the power cable to a power plug and switch on the device. Use the hex key to remove the screw on the upper part of the M case. Carefully remove the M case's lid and adjust the lens. Go to the Settings page on your iOS device. Click on the MK360 tab and switch on the calibration feature. Access the MK app and click on the Settings page, followed by the calibration option. Locate the flat image icon on the bottom right and click on it. Adjust the guidance lines to your preferences. We recommend users place the lines forming a red cross in the center of the room. Select the content to be played by the MK device. Make sure it's a flat image content. And enjoy the immersive experience.